Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a brief video entitled All We Do Is Repair, right? And
That's
so
what we've been doing
that's
this
all
whole
we're
year.
doing these days and last year. And so today is September the 9th, 2019. And so I went back and looked at our old books. From January 1 to September 1, in 2008, we did 67 virgin heads and 11 repair cases for a total of 78. And in 2011, then in 2011, from January 1 to September 1, we'd done 63 virgin heads and 18 repairs for a total of 81. What were you going to say? And our busiest 3 months are still coming.
October, November, December. Yeah.
And in 2014, same time period, we'd done 57 virgin heads and 27 repairs. So now we've upped our repairs 2.5 times from 08 to 14. And this year, Wendy, we've done 17 virgin heads and 60 repair cases for a total of 77 between January 1 and September 1. So our total case number has actually gone down for the year by 1 case since 2008. Our number of virgin heads has gone from 67 to 17.
Yeah.
And the number of repair cases we were doing has gone from 11 to 60. What's going on?
You're really good at doing repairs.
Well, the sad thing is that there's so many people that need repaired.
I know. That's the thing. Like we see so many different stories, and we wish like this. We wish patients will let us use their faces and show and really hear them from them. But there's a lot of things going on. People not doing, patients not doing their research. Doctors not.
Unethical doctors, a race to the bottom in everything.
Yeah.
To try to extract every bit of money from you, the unsuspecting customer's wallet.
Yeah, and it's just patients not thinking like there's always when you do plastic surgery, right? This is considered a plastic surgery, right? So when you do it, you don't think about the consequences. You get so excited. That's why we were talking with a patient here today.
It's only hair. What could go wrong?
Yes, but there's only a limit. Yeah, there's so many things that could go wrong, and then you have to go and get it fixed. Then there is money, and not only money. I think it's traumatizing for people to look. I mean, we have seen young kids looking awful, but they don't even go to work because they have to have a job that they have to wear a hat,
right,
covering what their mistakes.
And so then they not only do they have less money, but now they got some scarring in the back of their head, and they got less donor hair to work with, and now they're pretty sure it didn't work the first time, and they're afraid it's not going to work this time, and then their blood pressure.
And then they don't trust you, and they don't trust it. Then it's like holding their hand from day one, so not even to a year, but to 16 months.
Yeah. When
everything has grown.
Yeah, and that's why we put up all these videos of repair cases to show you who might need repair what to look out for, and so I think it's going to continue to go on up. People always want something that sounds good, and there's some really good ads. I heard one 2 days ago.
Oh my god! Yeah. So we had a patient that we did a bra lift on, and she was bringing me all this special, unique. They're calling it
Don't say a trade name. Don't say somebody's name.
Oh, I'm not saying a trade name, but they were calling something unique, and I was like, nah. And she was excited because it was some new thing.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, that's exactly what we do. That's how it's done, and it's been like.
And it could have been called the Wendy graft.
Yeah, and it's been there.
The Wendy single and the Dr. Lindsey double. Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, so it's like no, it's been there. That's the way it's done. It's always been done like that.
Yeah. So bottom line is, all we're doing is repair cases this year. We'd sure like to have more virgin heads. They're easier to work on, and it'd be nice not to have so many people out there needing repair work. If you need a hair transplant, whether you're a first time arounder or repair work, please give us a call. Thanks.